Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making kielbasa and fried cabbage. Alright, I'm starting out here with my electric skillet. I fried a pound of bacon here and I drained off the excess grease, but I left a little bit in there. I have one red onion here I diced up, rough chopped. And I don't know why they call it red onion, it's purple, but that's something I always wondered. I'm going to get this in here. My skillet got a little cool because I turned it down, but it's starting to go up the temperature. I'm going to start this browning up. And while that's browning up, I have 2 rings of kielbasa sausage. If you can't get kielbasa sausage where you're at, andouille sausage or even regular sausage will work. This is the Hillshire's Farm. I got 2 rings. I'm going to cut this in coin-sized slices and get that in with the onion after the onion starts browning and brown with the sausage with it. Alright, now that my kielbasa and my onions are brown, I pulled them out and set them aside. I'm melting a half a stick of butter in the skillet. And guys, if you're interested in this skillet, it's made by Elite. All they got it for me on QVC. I think it was like $59, but it's a good quality skillet. It's really large, super non-stick. I mean, I just cooked cheese in this last night, and I just wiped it out with a sponge and rinsed it out, and it was ready to go. So if you're interested, QVC, guys. Now I'm melting this butter down. I have a head of cabbage here. I did a rough chop on. I'm going to get this in here, and I'm going to fry this up till it's tender. And I'll be seasoning it with salt and pepper as it fries. And you do that to taste. Right now that my cabbage is all fried up, you don't want to fry it to the point where it's burned. You just want it where it's tender, maybe a little bit of a crisp. And I did season it with salt and pepper as I was frying it. I'm going to put the kielbasa and onions back in there. And we're just going to warm them pretty quick. They're still pretty warm, and I'm going to blend that in with the cabbage. Dexter's all happy today because we're not having chicken. I got to be careful with the C word around him. Alright, now that bacon that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I crumbled that up and I'm going to throw that in on top of the cabbage and the kielbasa and the onions. I'm going to give that a quick stir, get everything all blended. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. I'm going to start with a piece of that kielbasa. Really good, really flavorful. And as you fry sausage, it really develops good flavor. Some bacon. What's to describe about bacon? It's delicious, it's crispy. Now we'll try some of this cabbage. Tender with a slight little crisp to it. Like a sponge, it picked up the flavor of the sausage that was fried in a pan, the bacon, the onions, that butter I threw in, and we seasoned it with salt and pepper. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, kielbasa and fried cabbage. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.